We'll cover how to install the looker period control block. Documentation is in the GitHub repo, and there's a couple steps. The first is to include this remote dependency in the manifest file. And you can see I've got that right here. Now I've got the ref set to version 1.0.0, and you can either go and look at the tags or releases to find the latest. I'll update this documentation. The next, I'll come back to this in a moment, will be to set up our include. And so here I've got a example. What I'm going to do is set this include up. And then down here I've got a template. I'll just copy that, paste it in here. So go through these from the top. Event date. This is going to be the date field name in your table. So I would put, let's say it's my date. If this is a date time and you want it to be time zone converted, you would change this to yes. If you change this to yes, you should also change this to yes. In fact, I'm going to change that to no because we'll say this is just a date with no time component to it. This, there's no editing needed. These two dimensions are required for the select last data filter. And so in this case, I would say my date, and here there's a couple different options. You can either put the full schema name and the table, or you can just replace this part with the name of your view. So in this case, my view is named example, and that's fine. If you're using a PDT, this is where you would put the schema and table name of whatever the primary base table that pulls date information into your view. That's why these are broken out, in fact, and not just automatically filled in from the view, is because of PDTs. So I'll hit Save Changes there. The last item for install is to set up your Explore. All you have to do is add this SQL always where inject to the Explore. So I'll go up here, and let's just set up an Explore here. And there we go. That's it. Let's save changes there. And now you're ready to work with your model.